We have been in the automation industry for 20 years with annual sales of $6 million. If you're looking for frequency converter drives, servos, synchronous motors, speed controllers, or touchscreens, don't miss us. Let me introduce our exhibits at the show. This is our best-selling product, a mini frequency converter drive. This frequency converter boasts high protection, stability, reliability, high-low frequency torque, and high power density. This is our new product, a speed controller, featuring a unique torque control mode and adjustable torque. It supports PC software copying and parameter storage, and can be paired with Hall effect sensors. This is also a new product, a speed regulating motor, characterized by its small size, high torque, high efficiency, low noise, and easy installation. This is our servo system solution for panel saws. These are our controller products, including HMIs and PLCs. We offer customized services and solutions with a minimum order quantity of 50 pieces. If you have your own brand, we can also help you customize packaging and branding.